flight number 107 with you sitting by my side.
It's a beautiful day out here in the park. One of my favorite activities is coming out here and throwing bread for the pigeons. I started throwing bread at a young age. I actually started with rocks. I have the technique of sowing the bread, much like a farmer would sow his seed across a field. That's very similar to the frisbee disc throw. I was very good at frisbee in college. This one time I threw so much bread that by the end of the day, I was just covered in birds. I mean, you couldn't see a square inch of the field. It was just all birds. They hurt me real bad.
First class blue sky and a melody.
Sometimes when I feed the birds, my anger just kind of flares up. And I don't know exactly where it comes from, but I have my suspicions. Come up here. Come have a seat next to me. Come have a seat next to me. When I was younger, a seagull in my face.
It's the place where I've been happy